So in the question, an object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter from a concave mirror, and its focal length is given as 15 centimeter. So if the object is displaced through a distance of 20 centimeters towards the mirror, then the displacement of image will be, and here are the four options. So in this question, we are given with the object distance from the concave mirror, which is 40 centimeters, and by convention it is minus 40 centimeters, and its focal length is 15 centimeter, which is minus 15 centimeter by convention. So here in this case wise, in case one, we need to find the distance of image from the mirror, and then we need to find the displacement of the image after finding out the second distance of the image after being displaced 20 centimeters from the mirror. So let's see the explanation brought here. In the first condition, object is placed at distance 40 centimeters away from the mirror, which is minus 40 here by convention. So putting this in the formula, we can get the distance of the image to be minus 24 centimeters, which is before displacement. Then now by the second condition, when the object is displaced by 20 centimeters towards the mirror, so the new object distance would be minus 20 centimeters. Now putting this in the formula, we can get v2, which is the distance of the image after being displaced, which comes out to be minus 60 centimeters. So the displacement or the image shift can be calculated by subtracting the distances of the image obtained, which is 60 minus 24, which comes out to be 36 centimeters. And this is the answer, which is option 4th, and here is a brief answer of the question.